customer who get more about watches is that they never see the importance a watch needs to maintain. Now, maintenance of a watch is rather important because a watch is made of many types of components and it have wheels, and all these wheels need lubricants. Time go by, the oil will get dry, and this is how the wear and tear come. So this is why the watch need to do a maintenance. The process of repairing a watch is interesting. Once if you get to know how the parts function, I can tell you it's beautiful. Anything it links from the mainspring to the transmissions of the wheel, and it comes to the escapements and the balance. The balance of the wheel is just like the heart of a human being. To restore something, the example of a very old piece of timepiece, some of the parts we can't get to know tools that need to cut the components. Times will help also if the customer can give us more time. With the times that you given, sometimes with the sourcing, we may be able to do it, but depends on the corporations. You know, some customers say, it's all right, time is not a problem. It is possible.